to Crash IQ. In today's video, we will take a look at several road incidents and analyze what went wrong in each situation. We start the video on the highway. What's a black GMC? It was his responsibility to wait for traffic to pass and enter when the road was clear. Instead, he joins the main road as if he were driving in the city, which is not acceptable. Highway traffic moves fast, so when braking you must match the flow quickly. Because of this, our driver was hit from behind. Here we see a crash at the traffic lights. When approaching an intersection, you should slow down or drive at the speed that allows you to brake safely. In the city, people can be unpredictable, so obey traffic lights and follow the speed limit. Watch the red Hyundai. It loses control and crashes into a parked car. To be honest, this one is a bit confusing. It's possible the steering had a problem. Even so, stopping the vehicle was necessary. Here we see a taxi brake suddenly, which leads to a three-car crash. In situations like this, keeping a safe distance from the vehicle ahead is very important so you can brake in time. We could also question why the taxi braked in the first place. Warning: serious footage ahead. The white car, already on fire, crosses into the opposite lane. We only catch the scan late, but this is clearly a major crash. Drive slowly and carefully. I hope no one lost their life in this terrible accident. Another terrible crash. Watch the white car and where the driver tries to overtake. This is completely unacceptable. He is not even staying in his own lane. In the city, driver must move slowly and safely, because pedestrians can approach at any moment. Trailer drivers are usually known for their experience. Here, however, we see trailer fail to make the turn. The road is not ideal either. It's narrow and passes under a bridge. I think it would have been much better to enter slowly and use the mirrors more carefully. The blue car is coming from a side road, so the driver had the duty to give way. Always let vehicles on the main road pass first, unless they clearly signal that they are yielding to you. Here we see the black Cadillac already committed to an overtake, but he can no longer return to his lane. Friends, be very careful when overtaking on the highway. You should never try to pass 5 cars at once. Hopefully, the Cadillac made it back safely. He was very lucky. The white pickup failed to notice that the cars ahead had stopped. Always stay alert and focus it behind the wheel. Don't use mobile phones, because even a moment of distraction can cause accidents like this. Another crash during an overtake. He lost control while trying to pass, causing a terrible accident. Look at the road marking. It's a short line, which means overtaking is not allowed here. We all must obey traffic rules. Carelessness at the traffic lights. It seems stopping at red is too difficult for some drivers. Don't put others in danger when they are driving by the rules. Follow simple rules, like stopping at the red light. In this situation, the oncoming vehicle has priority. You should only enter a turn when you are sure the road is clear, or when a driver on the main road clearly gives you the way. On snowy roads, the first priority is to follow the speed limit and use winter tires. I would mostly blame the tires in this case. Still, the driver was lucky to be alone on the road, and even managed a full 316 degrees Spain. He boldly runs the red lights. This is strictly forbidden. Even if I am not mistaken, this is a Skoda. In many countries, Skoda vehicles are used by police in private fleets, but it does not give anyone the right to ignore traffic lights or put others in danger. Warning: heavy footage from the highway. The car that caused the crash was trying to overtake from the right, which is not allowed. On highways, the left lane is for faster traffic. If you are not driving at higher speed, you should stay in the right lane. Overtaking from the right is strictly prohibited. Here we see a bus driver fail to brake in time and leave the road. On one hand, he did the right thing by avoiding a collision with the car ahead. But on the other hand, if he had kept a safe distance and considered that the large vehicles need more time to stop, this could have been avoided. Always keep a proper distance, especially near traffic lights. Today we have seen many situations where accidents happen due to breaking traffic light rules. Some of you watching my channel may not even have a driving license yet. So let's start with the basics. At the traffic light, red means stop, yellow means get ready, and green means go. At these intersections, the black car was required to give way to our driver. At crossing like this, the vehicle going straight should go first, followed by those turning right or left. Here we see the silver car attempting a sudden lane change. Changing lanes is normal, but you must always use your mirror and make sure it's safe for moving. Drive safely. Always stay alert on the road, and I will see you in the next video.